The Samsung Premier LPU9D is a 4K UHD ultra-short-throw triple laser projector that redefines home cinema. Its advanced triple laser technology delivers 3,450 lumens of brightness and a wide color gamut for vibrant, lifelike visuals. As the world's first HDR10+ certified projector, it optimizes every frame for cinematic 4K clarity. The ultra-short-throw design projects a 100-inch image from just 11.3 centimeters away or 130 inches from 23.8 centimeters. With Dolby Atmos-supported 40W 2.2.2 channel speakers, it offers immersive audio. Powered by Tizen OS, it includes Samsung Smart TV features, Samsung TV Plus, Gaming Hub, and SmartThings integration. AirPlay 2 and Tap View enable seamless content streaming from mobile devices. Its sleek, compact design and auto brightness adjustment ensure exceptional performance in any setting.